Everyone! In today's art class, we're going to draw and learn about great white sharks. If you're new to my channel, my name's Chris Fitz, and this is my super simple art class for kids. Subscribe for a new art lesson each week. Let's get started. Go get your supplies. You're going to need a black marker or a pen, a piece of paper, and some colors. And if you need a little bit of extra help, there is a free tracing guide available on my website. Click the link below to download. All right, let's draw. First, we're going to draw the mouth opening by drawing an upside down U shape, followed by another one with a little bit of an angle. Then you're going to draw a little line from the angled U, or the bottom of the mouth. This is going to be part of the body. Take your marker, start at the top of the mouth. We're going to draw the nose and the head. Might look somewhat like an open triangle. Draw a circle here for the eye and color it in. Add a line across the top and a little dot. Since the shark is jumping out of the water, we're going to draw some squiggly lines at the base of the head. Did you know that great white sharks are the top predator? They're over 20 feet long and weigh up to 6,600 pounds. All right, now we're going to draw the gums and the teeth. Take your marker, start at the middle of the opening, and draw another upside down U shape slightly smaller than the one above. Then draw little triangle shapes all along the gum line. They don't have to be perfect. Repeat the same shapes along the bottom of the gum line. You can even add an extra couple of rows. Then draw a few little lines in the back to make it look like a throat. Now add the dorsal fin. Start down the head along the waterline and draw a line sticking out. When we color it, you can see the fin underwater. Add a few splashes. Did you know that great white sharks eat elephant seals, seabirds, sea lions, and sea turtles? Make sure you check out the art lesson on sea turtles. Give yourself a pat on the back, you did it! Now it's time to color. Did you know great white sharks have 5 rows of over 300 teeth? That means in their 70-year lifespan, they'll have roughly 20,000 teeth. Did you know great white sharks are the fastest swimmers in the ocean? They can go up to 35 miles per hour. Did you know that great white sharks' eyes glow in the dark? They have a reflective layer of cells behind their retina so that they can see better at nighttime. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this week's art class, make sure you check out the last episode here. And I need your help. I need to come up with a name for the character we drew today. Head on over to Instagram, follow me, let me know your name ideas, upload a picture of your artwork, tag Fitz Art Clips for a chance to be featured artist every Friday, and let me know if there's something that you want to draw and learn more about. I cannot wait to see what you create. I'll see you next time.